Hi everyone, many of you will know Will. Will is one of my viewers and subscribers and he's sent me in many clips recently, and the most pleasing thing for me is seeing Will's improvement. He originally sent me in a number of clips and was unfortunately the star in one of my deluded driver videos, but his improvement is absolutely astronomical, and it's truly one of the most pleasing parts of running my channel over the last couple of years. And as you can see, he's doing a great job with these two cyclists. But there's a couple of things that happen shortly that I just want to point out so other people can learn from them. The cyclists are doing up to around 20 miles an hour, and on this faster moving carriageway it's definitely worth an overtake, but the key is to find the correct time. It's not particularly wide, there are bends but they're not super sharp, and the centre line is a hazard line, so we need to be cautious. The distance we see to be clear is key to this manoeuvre. This is called the limit point if you didn't already know, and we need to complete this overtake within half the distance we see to be clear. That's just in case another vehicle comes the other way. There's been no opportunities whatsoever at the moment. If this car wasn't coming the other way now, that may have been, but it's no good now. We're approaching the next right hand bend. I'd now like you to watch the cyclist that's nearest to us. As he sees over this brow, he beckons. But there's a car coming. That could have been lethal if Will had done his overtake at that point. So you should only overtake if you're comfortable. And this is a little note to any cyclists. Don't beckon anyone. You don't know the ability of the driver or the power of the car that they are driving. And I think it was this that actually pressured Will into trying his overtake a second or two early, like we're going to see in a moment. Quite simply, if you beckon someone, they feel compelled to go past. We're now approaching another brow of a small hill, and the cyclists are going to get an early view. And again, they beckon. Will decides to start his overtake at this point, and this could have been lethal. Dead ground is the area that we can't see in between this brow of this hill and the next, and it could be hiding a vehicle coming the other way. Quite simply, never overtake until you are certain yourself. Thanks as always, Will, for your contributions, mate. You've helped so many people. To the rest of you, I hope to see you soon.